implement in implementation methodology, SAP ECC and SAP S4 HANA, which is two different methodologies. ECC is using ASAP ASAP methodology, and S4 HANA uses activate methodologies. Both have 5 phases. In SAP ECC, the first one is initial preparation phase, where we in this phase we set our goals. What is our goal? We set our deadline and timelines from when we start and till up till when we need to finish it, and we decide our team members, set up our team. We can understand this initial preparation phase like if we want to build a house, then it's just creating a to-do list before building a house, that what the things we need to do in what manner. So this is just a planning phase. So this is all about the initial preparation phase. Second one is business blueprint phase. In business blueprint phase, here we gather the requirements. That it's a requirements gathering phase, where we have some set of questions where that we need to ask to the client, that how many what businesses do you have in manufacturing, what business do you have in sales, and what type of criteria you are using, what pricing procedures you are currently using, how you are managing the inventories. Means we have multiple set of questions with the help of which we are gathering the informations, that how the business is actually processing in the company. With the example perspective, we can understand this in this way, like we are asking the family what kind of house they want, how many rooms, what style, where we need bathroom, where we need kitchen. Means if we are building house, then we are preparing the blueprint of the house, that what kind of style, how many rooms are there. This information that we require before building the house. Similarly, in the SAP, we gather the requirements from the client. This is the business blueprint phase. The third one is realization phase. In this realization phase, where we as SAP implementation consultant, we actually do the work. We do the configuration, we do the customizations, we start from enterprise structures and go one by one till every detail that we gather in the information gathering. We doing the configuration in this realization phase. With the example perspective, we can understanding this, that building the house, we have started the constructions here. Now in the fourth one is final preparation phase. In final preparation phase, we do the testing and training the users. We started the testing. First, we have development. We have made the configurations and customizations in the development server. Then we first do the testing in the development, and if the development doing good, then we transport our TRs now into quality system, where we do the actual testing of the systems. After we do the testing of the systems, then we move, if it is working fine, then we move it to the development quality production server. In production server, after testing, then if we find it is well good, then we start training the users, the end users of the client, that how the business processes you do manually. Here we do in this way, step by step. With the example perspective, we can understand this in this way, like after building the house, we are checking the plumbing, we are checking the electricity, we are checking each and every part that it is working fine. And after this, we are teaching the family members how to use these appliances that we have installed AC here, then we are using AC in this way, and these are the switches of fan and AC like this in this way. And the fifth one is go live and support. Uh, in this way, the SAP system is completely launched, and after end users are using it continuously, and we are providing the backend support continuously for a week or 2 week, perhaps mostly. And the end users are using it continuously. We can consider this with example like our house is prepared completely, and our family have already moves in to live. This is the SAP ECC ASAP methodology. Now we move to the SAP S4 HANA Activate methodology. This is similar. This is the similar way. Initial preparation phase is similar with the prepare phase. We just have used the different names only. In prepare phase, we are just setting the foundations of the house, like image form, project plan is created, deadlines has been made. These are all the plannings would be done in this prepare phase. This is the similar way that we do in the initial preparation phase. Second one is business blueprint. In business blueprint, we have multiple set of processes in ECC from which we are gathering the information. But here is the difference that SAP S4 HANA is using Activate methodology. In Activate methodology, the second phase is explore phase instead of business blueprint phase. In explore phase, business processes are explored using SAP best practices. SAP is already provided the SAP best practices for each processes. Then we connect with the client and show him that these are the best processes, SAP best practice processes. Then if you need any modifications in it, then we do in this way. We can understand this by the example of building a house. Like we are seeing sample house designs, that these are the designs of the sample houses, and then we need to choose, then client will need to choose the best one of the design that he needs. So it's just like a pre-prepared templates we have found, and we are choosing the best template that will be best suited to our requirement. The third one is realize phase. It is the name is different only. In SAP ECC it is realization phase, and SAP S4 HANA it is realize phase. The work is similar. We are configuring the system and extended it with the fit to standard approach in SAP S4 HANA only. So it's we can understand this like we are finalizing the housing design, and after finalizing the housing design, we are just starting the construction in this realize phase. Then the fourth one is deploy phase. In deploy phase, software deployment is done. This is similar to final preparation phase in the SAP ECC. In this, system is tested, and after being tested in development and quality, then moved to the production. So it's just like we can understand this with the example of housing construction. Like we are doing the final inspection, the house is constructed, and we are doing the final inspection before shifting if all electricity, plumbing, and each and every services is working or not. Then the fourth one is run and support. This is similar to the go live and support. Ongoing support we are need to do after the system is going live. Like after for example, housing construction, we can correlate it like in this way. Like we have moved into the house, and our regular maintenance will be made at regular intervals, like in 1 or 2 weeks. So in this way, we have make the differentiation and between SAP ECC and SAP S4 HANA, and also find the similarities also. The basic difference is only comes in the second phase, that is business blueprint phase in the SAP ECC, and explore phase in the S4 HANA. The difference is only in business blueprint phase we have the blank slate, where we need to write the requirements of the client, and we do the customization. We do the configuration with regarding to this. But in the SAP S/4HANA in Activate methodology, we use explore phase. We have where we have uh, pre already prepared templates from which we show the client and asking for the modifications. And the the other thing is SAP landscape. SAP landscape is uses three servers. First one is development server. Second one is quality assurance. Third one is production server. In development server, we do the actual configurations. Uh, After we have done the configurations in development server, we move the TR to quality assurance, where we do the testing, rigorous testing, and after doing the testing and quality assurance, we move our configurations TR to production server, where the actual system is ready for the client.